Guys, it's Jeremy with Bolt. So I'm out yard selling today. And I literally found this shoe right in the middle of the street, and so we're gonna take it back to the shop and we're gonna see what we can do with it. So it looks like it's been run over a few times, but we're gonna clean this sucker up.
This is Richie here from Bolt Shoe Cleaner. I'm back again. We're gonna restore these DCs. We actually were driving around and Jeremy happened to find these on the road. So we figured we might as well grab it, and this would be a perfect example to show you that you can grab them off the street and clean them up and still wear them. So we're gonna clean these up real quick. So the Magic Eraser is going to work good on this shoe because the top material is like a soft fabric and the bottom is like a rubber. I would recommend for you to always clean the bottom rubbers of all the shoes with the brush, but then the Magic Eraser is good to come along like this right here and just get the extra little tough spots to get out. Now, I don't expect everything to come off these shoes, but a lot of it should be able to come off. As you can see right here, the shoe is already a lot whiter. Just by the little bit of cleaning that we've done, you can see the inside right here. And then you can see that right there. So now we're gonna do the insides real quick of the shoe. So you guys could see it before. Okay, see that? Sticking my hands in there, I don't know where that's been. Alright, and this is coming right off. It's kind of hard for me to hold it still for you guys actually seeing coming off, but you'll see in a second here. So I'm going to take this cloth. You're going to go through there and grab the little extra pieces that the brush couldn't get. And then you're going to take the Magic Eraser, wet it up, and go through there and scrub those parts that were harder for you to get with the brush. Okay? Now, I'm doing this pretty fast for you guys to see, because I'm just giving you an example on how you're supposed to be cleaning them. So, like I said, this is real quick, but from the first view when you guys seen the shoe, it was nothing like this at all. If you put 5 minutes into cleaning the shoes, you should be able to get everything out of it. I'm going to keep cleaning them up for you guys to show you the final. But yeah, as you can see, it's already way better just from the little bit of cleaning that we put into it. There's a lot of marks on the inside of that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was run over multiple times.
You can pre-treat the shoes, clean them like this, and then put them into the washer to get like an extra clean on them. The washing machine isn't going to be able to obviously like wipe down this type of stuff. This is more personal cleaning, but we'll be able to get stains out and I guess stuff that's been sitting on there for a while. I'm going to wipe this down now. And some of these marks on here don't look like dirt. It looks like possibly from like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but the shoe looks way better without a doubt. I didn't think that this shoe had life like this left in it when we seen it at first. So yeah, Bolt Shoe Cleaner, it's the best on the market. Try it yourself and you'll be able to tell us what you think. Simple as that. Any other questions about the shoe cleaner, you can check us out at www.boltshoecleaner.com. We'll be able to answer any questions for you, ship you out cleaner. We're on Amazon also, so just search Bolt Shoe Cleaner and you'll get the best product on the market. Bolt.